Hey everybody, it's Choe with One Rate Mortgage. Here's your quick download of what came out of the Fed meeting last week that's related to the mortgage and housing. So as expected, the Fed raised their policy rates by 0.25% at their February meeting. This is the smallest increase of the 8 made in the last 11 months. More interesting is the Fed's signal regarding future increases. The Fed statement released after the meeting hinted that the ongoing rate increases are anticipated before inflation is brought to the Fed's target of 2%. Investors were hoping the Fed would back off of that statement. Now, please note, the mortgage rates are impacted by the market forces beyond Fed actions and will not necessarily change at the same pace as the Fed's move. They often shift before the Fed acts in anticipation of their changes. Now, should the Fed's news change your home financing plans? If this is your time to purchase or access cash from equity, don't let rates stop you. You should work with your lender to find a way to work within the framework of the current environment. So options like hybrid ARMs, buy downs, and HELOCs can help. Now, here's some additional background on the Fed. The Federal Reserve Board, or the Fed, controls the federal funds rate and discount rate, which are charges for overnight loans from bank to bank or from the Fed to member banks. The rate was lowered to near zero in March 2020 in response to the pandemic. These historic measures are now being reversed. So this is the 8th increase since March 2022, as I said. Now, if you have any questions, check out any of the videos that YouTube recommends for you. And if you have any other further questions, feel free to text me at the number below or email me at chris@onerate.com. Have a great and blessed day.